So it's you. You daughter of no one. You wretched slut that I gave life. You dare challenge me? A crooked hag of a being like you cannot give life. You are nothing. You are nothing but a miserable witch. And I have the antics to tame your excesses. For daring to bite the fingers that fed you, you shall die. The great queen of the sea, the harbinger of the new era, the queen of the Black Sea. I am Ifengilija, the goddess of the White Sea, the goddess that stands above every other goddess within the seas and the oceans. For daring me, you shall die. Leave me alone.
You know, it really feels good to be back home again.
I'm so happy as well. Oh my god, everyone's so different.
So different, like I can't even place where exactly we are.
Look at the house, look at beautiful.
That's beautiful. But I can't wait for you to see my mom. I have a feeling she's not going to recognize you. It's like, well, you do look so beautiful now.
Thank you. I can't wait to see her as well.
Okay, I think this is the time.
You?
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Oh.
My dear, you know, you look good.
Thank you so much, Mom.
I love the golden hair and the sandals. What are they called?
Roman sandals, Ma'am.
I'd rather call them Moses. Oh my God. So, you're Igbo, right? You're from the eastern part.
Yes, Ma'am.
You know, you look like a half caste. My son has good taste.
Thank you.
Kaima, you said your mother used to live in Asaba?
Yes, Ma'am. Oh, yes, she still does.
Oh, really?
Mom, you don't seem to please my face.
Honestly, there's something familiar about your face, but I just can't put my finger on it.
You know, I don't want to believe my once intelligent mother has suddenly turned into a forgetful old woman.
Forgetful, yes, but don't ever call me old.
Okay, I'm sorry, Mom.
So, who is Kaima?
Mom.
Yes.
I am your best friend's daughter.
Noma's first daughter?
Chikaima. Noma, Adora's third child. I remember leaving the country like when I was 15 years, thereabout. Yes, ma'am.
Adora. Which Adora are we talking about?
Enough of introductions, Mom. Kaima here is the same chick Kaima that you nursed so many years ago. Daughter to your best friend Adora. Come on.
Adora.
Yes,
Chalukwa. Adora Okorocha.
Yes, Mom.
Yes.
Adora Okorocha kana come Keifa.
Yes.
Hey! Alwa mem. Adora Okorocha. Oh. What are you doing with my son? No. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing with my son? Oh. She sent you. She sent you to render me childless, right? Hey! Tell her you people have failed. Keep my cup. Mom. Keep my cup. Man, to talk about Roman Sanders. Silo.
Mother, why? Why the sudden irritation?
Well. Zim, this is my mom. Mom, this is Zimuzo. My...
Good afternoon, Ma.
Afternoon, young man. I know who he is. You are the son of that woman, Evian, right?
Yes, she's my mother.
Then you do not have any business in my house. Because I don't welcome my enemies with open arms.
Mom, he's my guest.
Shut up! If you don't shut that your mouth, I will shut it forever.
But, Mom,
Shut up! I cannot be your mother! Your mother thinks she can get me through your relationship with my daughter. Tell her that I'm smarter. And tell her that like an earthquake, I will finish her up this time. Get out of my house. You don't want to live peacefully, right? Get out!
stop the car. Stop this damn car!
Adora, I curse you. I curse you with all the curses of the river. Stand. Where are you coming from?
Mother, do not stand in my way, please.
I'm asking you a simple question and I need an answer. Where are you coming from? Oh, she has hypnotized you, right? You now talk to me anyhow. Ha! Adora. No way. Adora, you can't get away with this. Okay, Adora, I will deal with you. You're actually working out on me. Ha ha! Ha! If I know you're calling me Adora. Zim. Zimuzo. Zim, open the door, please. Zimuzo. Zimuzo, open up. Let's talk. This is not fair. You can't just shut your door. Zimuzo. Zimuzo, it's your mother, please. Zimuzo! Zimuzo, we need to talk! Why can't you just come out? Let's talk of... Zimuzo. I hail thee, Queen Mother of Earth.
You summoned me in broad day. Is that necessary?
Yes. Queen of the Earth, my son, my only child that just came back from the States, has gone berserk because I'm stopping him from becoming a friend to the seed of my enemy.
Have you tried to reason with him? Have you tried to explain to him what is at stake?
That is the problem. I can't seem to get to him. He locked himself in his room since yesterday. I've called, I've banged on the door, I've tried to cajole him to come out, but he's not responding.
Your son's heart is tied to the girl in question, and so is her own soul to your son.
What do I do? How do I handle this?
When you deal with matters of the heart, you do that with wisdom and caution.
So, what do I do? Are you saying I should let him date the seed of that evil woman? No now. That is like setting fire to my own roof.
That decision is for the mother of the earth to make. Return home to your son and give him the welcome you denied him yesterday. The problem is with Adora, not your son.
Adora Zokwakwa.
Mom, I want us to talk about yesterday.
What about yesterday?
Mom, when you saw Zim, you were very upset when you realized he was Auntie Evelyn's son.
I'm impressed. I'm so glad that you were so intelligent to have noticed that. Listen, Chikaima. The fact that he's Evelyn's son upsets my whole being.
And what's going on? I remember she used to be your best friend.
And I want you to also remember that she did not only kill your two siblings, but will also stop at nothing to see you dead.
Come on, Mom. How can you say a thing like that?
Kaima, what I'm simply saying is that you should stay clear from that boy. Stay away from him before I vent my anger for his mother on him.
Stay away from Zim? That's impossible, Mom. Zim is the love of my life, and you want me heartbroken just because of the misunderstanding you had with his mom? That's impossible, Mom.
Really? Are you serious? My goodness. You call the untimely death of your two siblings misunderstanding? Chikaima, you are still insane.
Mom, I'm all right. I am fine. I am just not getting this right. I don't understand. Zim is my fiancé and we tend to...
Just shut up! Shut up and do not be stupid! Listen, if I see that boy anywhere close, you will leave me with no other option than to skin him alive.
Mom. Mom.
Son?
Yes, Mom.
Where are you going to?
I want to go see some of my friends downtown, catch up and stuff.
That's a good one. Well, would you mind my bodyguard going with you?
A bodyguard? Mom, what do I need a bodyguard for? I'll be back even before you know it.
At least the driver could drop you, right?
Yeah, that's good. I'm not conversant with the road, so yeah, I think that's good.
Alright.
I'll see you outside.
Alright, take care.
Alright,
Have fun.
Alright.
Yeah.
I missed you so much, babe.
I missed you more, darling. I couldn't sleep all night. That was why I had to send a mail to you.
I'm really sorry about that, but I had to take the whole of yesterday to figure out exactly what's going on between our mothers.
It's indeed a crazy situation. In fact, I am still very confused.
Well, that's okay. We'll sort that out later. I just want to use this opportunity to look into your eyes. Make up for yesterday. Your beautiful, beautiful eyes.
Thank you. Blushing.
Thank you so much, love.
I missed you too.
So how was the day?
It was very well, thank you.
God, I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Hello? You trailed him. He was rushing to go and meet her. That seed of a useless woman. Don't worry, I know what to do.
No. Not exactly. No, we don't have the materials right now. But not to worry. I'll be traveling at the end of the month and... Please let me call you back. What do you want?
Do not flatter yourself, you empty soul. Anyway, for your information, this is no friendly visit. I'm here to ask you to warn that your daughter to stay away from my son. Else, I will personally kill her and drink her blood. No, that will be too easy. I think I'll use it and make her feng shui.
You insane mother of a shameless he-goat. I want you to tell your son to stay away from my precious daughter, or I'll make him regret his life.
Oh, really? Look at you. You parade yourself like you're gold, but you're just a worthless piece of stone. Now I'll tell you something. Warn your daughter. This will be her last grace.
Get out of my house.
With all pleasure. Adora, come on. You call this Pete a house? Baby, you could do better.
Get out.
Come on, stop deceiving yourself. You know what? Do yourself a favor and get a house. This is nothing.
Just get out.
Come on, when you run me out, baby.
Get out. Mad woman. And where in the world are you coming from?
Mom, I went out on a date.
With that death trap? With that son of a maggot?
Mom, Zim is not a death trap.
How dare you talk back at me?
Mom, why would you hit me? Why?
Listen, he might be your heart or your life. But do not claim that I took you unawares when I descend on him. Because I will not spare.
Come on, but Mom, you could have just ignored.
Human beings are terrible.
Yeah.
If I'd overlooked, he would probably think I'm an illiterate just like himself. You know, that's exactly the same kind of thing that your girlfriend, what's that her name, Kaima's mother did to me. I mean, I was kind to that woman. I was there for her. Through thick and thin, I was there for her. I picked her from the gate of hell, turned her around. But you know what she did? She turned around and stabbed me. And now, to show you how wicked she is, she has sent her daughter to kill my only child. But I will not let that happen.
Yeah, Mom. I think I feel a slight headache coming. I need to go rest now.
Okay, please do. Take Panadol, okay?
No problems, Mom. Good night.
Good night, darling.
Head witch of the universe, I greet you.
You are late, Adora.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had so much on my mind.
You need not to be troubled. Though she belongs somewhere powerful. But you belong here. And we are more powerful than the other rings.
She steps on my toes every day. And she has challenged me enough.
Mom, I know I've been away from you for so long, but I think I still know you better than you can imagine. Mommy, you're a really, really happy woman. But this couple of days since my return, you've not been yourself, you've been so sad. Why?
You're very observant, son. And the smiles got wiped off my face the minute you stepped into this house with that child of the devil.
Fine, so don't you think it's time you told me everything?
I promised myself never to go back to the past, considering the damage it had done to me. But you know what? To make you see reason with me, I guess I have to go back there.
He left us with nothing. Not even a piece of land. Chicken piece of land or they were you. Now I have to rob the bank. Or even become a harlot to train his children.
Biko. Don't even talk like that, Biko. These men, they're all the same. Even my own, when he died, left me with nothing. Joko. If not for the piece of land that his father gave me when I entered the family newly. Oh, no. It's from there I got this place and It's from here that I trained my son Zimuzo at the seminary school. Yes. And then sent him out to a private school.
Hey!
Yeah.
Mo. See how my fellow woman has arranged her life. Moano never. Confused and stranded.
Don't talk like that now, eh? There's a living God and he sits on the throne. Don't talk like that, eh? He will surely see you through.
Amen. Oh, amen.
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 He will see you through.
Biko, just forget about this drink, oh?
Makagenisi. Eh? Is it because of the discussion we had the other day? Makwa, since after that day, eh? I've been thinking of you. I have not been able to sleep. Mechanya can rolling on you. Meya, you're right there standing before me. I just couldn't put myself together. Then I decided that I should ask you, I don't know what you think of coming here to help me in running this restaurant. Like, we run it together, but can help it together.
Say.
Is it because it's a small place?
Are you serious?
I'm serious now.
That I should share in your source of livelihood? How? If Lino wants
okay, no, don't do that. Because get up, please, don't do that.
Hey!
What can I do? Hey, what are friends for? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Because this is not the kind of friendship I like. Because we're one.
Hey! If you're such a nice woman, it's because you're different. Oh, macaron, you know, eh? A lot of people will not give others this kind of opportunity in Enyem Keta. Eh? God will bless you.
Also, because stand up. Hey. He will bless us.
Hey.
He will bless us. I know you. If I were in your shoes, you would do more for me. Don't do this. I don't know if I can't when you will. Cook. Man,
if I want another one, will you give me?
Also, yeah, today many free drink, just one no, and at least you have a smile on your face. Hey, no my hey, you will want customers in clever.
Food is ready, Charigo. Rice and beans sitting on cool, you get check wow. My food do not know. I get
Angelina. I don't want bag. I get fresh tea. Yes, I have cow. Two pieces. That's cool. Fine, with the manager.
Evelyn, just a tumbler. Oh, yeah, yeah, fichevete. Drop your dinapia, oh, manangele. Makana messenger. If I'm
Adora, okay, why?
Uche, biko. You sure know how to make someone's head swell.
But I'm saying the truth now.
Please stop the flattery. How is your family?
We are fine, oh. We are managing.
We are fine, oh. God is on the throne.
The one that is disturbing me now is I heard you are now a maid at Evelyn's shop.
Uchechi, no, you got it all wrong. Evelyn has been so nice to my children and I.
Me, mana, there's nothing wrong in you having your own food shop.
I don't have a reason to start thinking in that direction. Like I said, she's been too nice to my children and I.
Ngwanu, I was going to see a friend now.
Okay.
Let me go.
All right.
God, you know.
Oh, Ngwanu. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, this your shop is booming, oh. Feet coming in, feet going out. Also, again, you're doing so well. We thank God, oh, you're already made.
Well, your food business is going fine as well, eh? Everybody in the neighborhood comes to your shop to eat.
Yeah, so they all come to eat, but you know how much I sell a plate of food. Oga Kwanaga. Nebiko, leave matter for Matthias. Let's talk about something else.
I don't know. I've been meaning to ask you, why would you bring Adora and her children into your business?
Hey, question and answer time. You see, Adora is a childhood friend. We were like this when we started. There's no way I would see her suffering and I will not bring her children to do business with me. Oh, men. We're like sisters. That's the least one can do for a sister.
I know that both of you are childhood friends. But I think that there are other ways that you can help out, instead of bringing them into your business.
Don't go there. What is the big deal? Having her and her children work with me. Just make money and eat. Because it's not a big deal. Please. That's the least you can do for a friend. As a matter of fact, a sister.
Thank you. The other day you were talking about business not moving fine.
Yes,
I've told you on the necessary steps that you should take, but you have refused to do the needful.
Biko. You see those your necessary steps? I don't want to dine with the devil. I don't want to start an alliance with the devil.
So you are now calling me Adaikwensu?
No. How can I call you Adaikwensu? No. Please, don't take it that way. The fact that I don't want to be involved doesn't make you an Adaikwensu, Biko. Just saying that I'm not interested.
I should go and wear black top now so that it will be complete for you, black on black.
But let's talk about something else. So, how is that man that has been coming?
Don't even go there.
How much?
80,000 naira.
That's a good one, no? For the month.
Very good.
Okay. We'll keep 50,000. We'll use it and replenish our stock.
Oh, okay. 4, 5.
Then you take 10,000 and give me 20,000.
Huh? Only 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira, sister. That's too small now.
Too small?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you men say no? Take 15 and give me 50. Is that okay? Hold
10 first. 15.
15 now. Okala. Thank you.
Thank God.
You want my go say thank you.
Food is ready, Charigo. Oh, no, nobody go kwa, ige go kwa, oh. Rice and beans, sidi noku, ige chekwa, oh. Ofa kuma gugo, manamge siozo, oh. Kamyagi code pie, kiwe chere, oh. Without, oh, ijikwego. Azukwata, oga pare bito, ane emeka wa baba, kekwanu, my food do done no, ige go kwa, ageti kanda o, kobu azundu.
So what do you go? Na imano na nwanyị akpụ and the butcher Kenelano are supposed to come today for their money. Unfortunately, there's no money to give them. How can I be fed?
Why not?
You say why? Have you forgotten that yesterday we didn't make enough pots of soup? We didn't have enough. Okay, it's another.
Mama, what about those footballers? Didn't they come to eat?
These ones that they came now and they paid. I went to the money cupboard to check the money.
What happened to the money?
It was a munjuan. I can't nasibu kanjua, you will lose on where you in my family. Oh, no.
Thanks for texting me, Joe.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Come next time.
All right.
Onyinye, I did not see you collect money from that boy. Rather, I saw you giving him money. Now, what exactly did he order for and how much did he pay that warranted you giving him change?
He came here. He gave me 4,000 and this is the fourth one he's eating. So I've removed the other ones and I now brought his change is 17.
How much did he pay you? How much? I didn't see you collect money from him.
I collected money from him before I served him. Oh, auntie, should I not give people their balance again?
Don't talk to me like that. I'm not your mate. I'm actually older than your mother. Onyinye. How many times did I call you?
Me, I don't like this thing. Every morning I'll come here and be suffering. Then you now come and be accusing me. Somebody will buy something, I'll not give the person their change again.
Oh, you're the one saying it. You're the one saying it. I've heard you.
I gave him 17 now because he gave me 4,000 before. You were not here when he gave me the money. I always collect money from customers before I give them food.
Silly girl. Giving someone 4 plates of food. Nego du kan work at rakite. Ene bunyo neli. 4 plates of food. Unpaid for. Hey! And I've never heard of 4,000 naira notes. What kind of nonsense is this? And she's actually giving me an attitude. Aye. Before evening now.
Food is ready, Charigo.
Hey. Customers are cardio. Chineke, what's going on here? Can you say Nemeba? Everywhere is so untidy. You people are not doing anything. You must say now go for you in while only Emmanuel is working. Can you do rubbish, Bita?
Kenny, Evelyn, Why are you shouting now?
These children are not helping and everywhere is so untidy. Place is unkept. She's reading.
You don't need to shout at them, okay? I don't like anybody shouting at my children. When you shout at them, they get confused and look stupid.
Forgive me. Read on. You go for second round.
Eat.
Keep working hard.
Thank you. Nina. Sasa buonwe. Echini ne ya kugo. Ne. Wash. Ne limonde. Oh. Asa. Gubama okwo. Na asa. Officers, mom libeni na go.
Evelyn. Yes, Atomda. Onyinye. Ya fichebete. Njofia dinafia o marangengele. Makana mesinja. Ifa mutala muta. Anama kwanaka. Kane singo. Ifa mutala muta.
What kept you so long? And where are the things I asked you to buy?
You know that time I was going out, I put money in that list, thinking it was paper. When I got to Mama Ekene's that got her in front of Mama Ekene, I now threw it. When I got to the Tin Junction, can we take the money? I can't find it.
What cock and bull story are you telling me?
I just told you what happened to me now. Why are you harassing me like this?
Will you shut up? Who are you talking to like that? It's again. I'm okay now, go. Stop getting. Which Tin Junction?
Baby, you know if I have any other means to get this money, I won't be bothering you.
Honestly, Obina, sometimes when you talk, you make me feel bad. Seriously.
Honestly, just that they have owed us in the office for some time now. And I really need to send my mother some cash urgently.
And you think I'll ever let you suffer? Nothing for you.
Oh, baby! Thank you! Baby, thank you!
So you're happy now, right?
Yes, I'm happy, baby. Thank you.
Anything for you.
What do you mean by that?
Adora, no boys beat her up. Neither did she lose money thinking it was a piece of paper.
Chelukwa, Evelyn, are you insinuating that she took the money? Or get it in here? Evelyn, give that girl a moment rest. Or give her a moment of rest. She's just a kid. Every little thing, only this, only that. Ogini, she is old enough to be your granddaughter. What is it?
Ifugi, Fabun Sobuki. This is your problem, Adora. Ifugon Waya, I don't blame you. You're always siding her. Look, that child is my child as much as she's your own. And I'm not going to sit back and watch her mess up her life just because I don't want to offend you.
Indeed. My teacher. What did she do this time?
Teacher. So what do I want reform me? Because forgive me, she didn't do anything. Afiabo for short, only it was only innocent. Since you don't want to hear what I have to say, so what do you can represent because can you anything or no? I'm not going to okay, man. Once you listen to everywhere, I'm the containers. They don't do anything. Like a sasa.
Food is ready, Charigo.
Hey, Obina.
What are you doing here? Why will you barging on me?
Hey, I came to give you food and the money you asked for.
Don't you have home training? Is that how you barging on people?
Oh, please, I want to go and turn it by myself, so I'll take my mother's cooler.
Don't worry, you can go. I'll bring it back for you.
I want to go and turn it.
Don't worry, you can leave now. I need to be alone, please.
Obina, who is that? Who is that?
It's true. Hey! Jesus Christ! So this is the reason why you want to pursue me, Abby?
Come, little girl, keep your voice down. What is it? Who is this?
I'm not a little girl, I am his girlfriend. Obina, who is this?
She's my fiancée. I will be getting married soon.
Fikini!
After that, I will locate with her to
After eating my rice and collecting my money.
What is this? What dirty rice? I don't understand.
Which money? Which food?
Obina, come on,
Take your hands off his shirt.
Obina!
What is wrong with you? Come on, take your hands off. What are you doing with this child?
Obina!
What are you doing with this child?
Give my money!
Sister, what's wrong with you now? You've been here crying since you returned. What happened, sister? Oh, did you misplace money again?
Are you okay? Are you okay? What kind of question is that one now? What kind of rubbish question is that? What kind of question is that? Let her go. I would you. Are you mommy that you're asking me that question? Are you mommy? Don't you just pass and don't see me?
Yeah. Ifugonu, that's what I've been saying. You give them a yard and they take the whole plot. They now want to chase you out of your own shop. Eh? A business that you started with your hard-earned money. It does not work like that now.
Do you know the one that pains me the most? The one that is really eating me up. That tiny girl they call Onyinye. That girl that has no home training. She talks to me anyhow, as if I'm her mate. That girl, Okwobelo Onyori, she actually steals my food and gives to her boyfriend. Then, my hard-earned money, she will carry to give that big buffoon that she's dating. I can't understand it. Then when I tried to talk to her mother to reason with her, you know what she told me? She called me Onion Kusi, taking her side. I just cannot comprehend it. Hey! I want to 5 in a man.
That is the reason you have to chase them away. Let them go. Is the shop no longer your shop?
It's my shop. Oh.
Is it not your business? Hi. You have the right to say whatever you want to say and make any decisions of your choice. It's your place.
If I need me now for, it's really bothering me. I don't really know what to do. I don't even know how to handle this. Honestly. Did I do anything wrong in trying to help Adora and her children? Eh? Obi ebele nke mo ye buzim. Nta ka ndebe anyi si ogom egbunam. Ogo nke ma me mbukwam. Asi.
The thing is, when you are trying to help someone and the person remains ungrateful by the day, what do? You let them go. She has even been coming here asking me on how to get a shop to start her own business.
No, she didn't say that.
So now I'm telling lies. When she's even planning on how to take your customers away from you by the time she starts her own business. Be there now.
She did?
Am I telling you? Be there, oh. Be there.
Food is ready, Charigo. Oh, no, nobody go kwa, ige go kwa, oh.
Who there here? I said, now who there here? If I say these people no cook today. Now who there here? I said, now who there here?
Stop that noise pollution. Because of one plate of apple, now they make noise like that. What do you want?
You they mad? Which one be noise pollution?
Now you they mad. In fact, you don't get common sense.
Come.
No, come my shop, come insult me like that too.
Yes, you dey
Yes, now you are the
craze.
insult.
You want slap arms? You dey craze. I say you dey mad. You want beat my pikin?
So you dey here, your pikin dey cost me.
You dey mad.
No, I won't beat am. How you come?
You dey mad.
Beat am na my say craze. You don't feel beat am. You dey mad.
Please, let him.
For what now? He wanted to slap my daughter on a poala.
Madam, I dey
No, they bite me.
I dey respect you because you be person wife.
Don't bite my mother like
I dey respect you because you be person wife.
What do you fit do?
It's so strong.
What do you go fit do? You don't fit do anything.
I don't give you respect, oh.
Shut up! You won't do anything.
That's sorry, please.
Sorry for what,
It's
sir?
okay now, Adora. Leave this man.
Sorry for what?
Leave me
He
alone.
may know I'll tear this shirt. Nothing will happen.
Adora, because please. Man, it's so Adora. Have you realized that you messed up? It's your Nina, eh? In your lab, sin on Oka.
Come on, come in, you see. Eh? How did I mess up? So I would have allowed that man make my daughter Ichikowalum.
Chalukwa, I want to ask you a question. How much did we make at the restaurant today? Mba, how much? Emaro. Yet I spent 10,000 naira at the police station just to bail you. And an extra 2,000 to pay for the shirt that you tore.
Obasam, did I ask you to spend money on my head? Or Guinea?
Oh.
Eh?
Or Kodi?
You would have allowed me deal with those idiots there. Akwadolum for Akwadolum.
So, Wadro, Biko, I will meet up with you at the restaurant. I'm going somewhere right now.
Hey, did I ask her to spend any money after Onyerom Diego? Food
is ready, Charigo. Rice and beans in Oku, Ige Chekwa.
Evelyn, you came back.
Yes, so I came back. How are you?
I'm fine. You don't look happy. What is it?
When I'm just coming from the police station.
Police station, kwa? Yeah, what happened?
Is it not Adora and her useless children? She actually tore a customer's shirt. I had to go there to bail her.
Hey, Evelyn, you have suffered. You have really suffered. Eh? For how long will you continue to go through pain? All in the name of helping that stupid woman and her useless children, eh?
Do you know what pains me the most? This week I've not made much money. And yet I had to spend 12,000 naira at the police station to bail her. Eh? It's just not fair.
Adora has to go. If you want peace and if you want your business to survive, Adora must go. And it's high time you agreed to what I've been telling you of taking an extra step to secure your business.
You're right. Adora must go. But as for taking an extra step to secure my business, I'm not really interested in that.
Sometimes you just make me think that Adora has tied you down with some dangerous charms.
So, you are indirectly asking me to leave your shop?
No, don't misunderstand. I'm not indirectly asking you to leave the shop. All I'm saying is, for us to save our friendship, we need to go our separate ways, Ezioku, because it's obvious that we cannot run this business together. I mean, look at what happened today. I spent 10,000 naira at the police station, all because you could not control your temper. Oh my God, Ezioku.
That man was lucky. He should thank his stars. Makakame Jimwa, Subuonya. I would have stabbed him with a knife.
If you had done that, by now you would be behind bars. And then your loving children, who would take care of them? Nobody. Besides, my little shop would have been closed down. Zazie Aaron Balakana.
I've heard you.
Thank you.
But before we do that, I want us to share the property into 2 equal parts. You will look at it, you will my own.
So after all that you did in helping her to build that business, she asked you to leave because she fought with a customer.
Nemna so.
Hey.
Not only that, she hates my daughter Onyinye. She hates her so much that na awful poison.
Hey. She hates that girl because she has seen what she will become in the future. But yeah, ask me, if it were to be her own daughter that a man came and beat up, would she allow the man go just because she wants to maintain a customer?
Joanum, eh? Is it our fault that she doesn't have a daughter?
Hey, oh dear.
Nema, I think the best thing for me to do, Noble, to look for a shop elsewhere and start my own thing.
Elsewhere? That shop that you are looking for, we will look for it on this street. On this very street. If Eve wants to die, let her rest. On this street, we will look for that shop on this street. Leave it to me. What are you counting?
9 jerrycans.
Okay, out of the 9, I will dash you 4, and I will keep 5.
Guinea, I'm taking 5. You manage 4. So I will take. Excuse me. I will take 5, and you take 4.
Oh, these are. Excuse me.
So you can take this one.
No, it's not possible. Even if you're going to take 5, you will take one of the broken ones.
Mbano.
Yeah.
No.
Mbano, it's not possible.
Yeah, come on. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want problems. I don't want problems. I don't want I'll stab you.
I will beat you up. I will beat you up. Don't take me for granted, though.
Keep my jerrycans, Rico. Yes,
already.
Keep my jerrycans. I face a pump. Oh. Keep my jerrycans. 5 of them from Peggy.
How can you take 5 out of my jerrycans? Which you take one and put the best. Our jerrycans. Carry the broken ones. I can understand. What kind of nonsense?
I don't want problems. So. Okay,
come now. Come.
Keep those things.
I will not keep them.
You are indeed very, very foolish. You are a big fool. A very big fool. How can you allow that useless woman take all your customers from you?
Chichi, what do you want me to do? That woman can burn on Kokbaka for all I care. But I know that there's a God. He will protect me.
I don't want to say that you are stupid. But you act like a very stupid person. I have told you what to do to secure your business. I have told you.
Please, I am not interested. I have told you I don't want to join your witchcraft or whatever thing you people are doing. If that is what it takes to make my business grow, I don't want to be part of it. I've told you over and over again. You what's me for?
And I guess she would love to know that Adora came here and she has been asking me to introduce her to the coven.
Food is ready, food is ready.
Hey, bring bread for me. Soft one. All of them did the same thing. Nobody need to do bread. You get shop for me.
Who there? Who there? Who there?
You see human being for here, they ask who they. I know they like that kind of question, I beg.
Take am easy now.
What you want buy?
Please come close and take my order. Come closer now. Just stand 2 miles away and ask your questions. I want beans and this agege bread with this sweet well. Say you did.
Jay! Shout!
Wait, why did they shout? Customer, how now?
Are you asking me?
Okay, so now waiting now, why did they shout?
So you don't test your own food?
Waiting happen.
Yeah. Are you asking me again?
Hi. What is it?
There's no salt in this food. This food is tasteless.
Salt?
Madam Adora.
Huh?
Madam, this food no salt. This your pikin no know anything. She no get sense. Which salt we no dey? You know what manager I leave am.
Another customer.
That
I'm
bad?
not paying for it. Madam Adora, I no go lie you. This food is tasteless.
Hey, complain.
I'm going now.
Madam, no salt. This girl no know anything. Okay, I go say you no get money to pay. You don't remember say you no carry change come up from house. Which kind of nonsense be that? There's no salt. Madam, bitter.
Listen here. Come here. Listen here. Huh?
Angelina, I hope you're enjoying the food. As if I knew you were coming and I prepared it in a special way. Good day. Now you're welcome.
Good day, ma.
I know. Thank you. Please sit down.
What do you get?
I have okra, I have apple and gari.
I think I will cook it. Do you have fish?
Yes. I have good fish. Fish?
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a minute. I will ask.
Who wants fish for me?
Let me get you.
All right.
Emma? Baba, how are you? How was your lesson today?
Mommy, Kelechi was disgraced again today.
Why?
She didn't do her assignments. Mommy, since we started this lesson, she has never done her assignment. All she does is eat chocolate and plenty food.
Really? Well, that's their business, so. At least my son is doing well. I'm proud of you. Come and sit down and eat some walnuts. Food is on fire. Once it's done, I'll dish for you.
Walnut is sweet.
I bet you attach all on.
Food is ready.
Remove your hand. No, 12. Him and him when ya flaunt it, No, Lafuma, why did you even wear this kind of skirt? Market yourself also. Name off, like this.
Hey, sister, your hair is fine. Hold it there. Yeah. Try it again. Are you okay? Hey, can you buy this? Just ordinary, your hair is fine.
What is the problem? Why did you even tell her that her hair is fine? Who even told you that your hair is fine?
This is your own. Did I talk to you, ma? No, don't talk to my mother like that.
Why have we see the fine? Idiot! Who even told you your hair is fine?
There. Your hair is selling with or without.
Idiot! Otonaka, Puabikonjafia, bad market. Get out! Otonaka, get out! Tutu, 150 kobo. Windbreaker, idiot!
Come on, you shut up there.
Mommy, I want to go inside and read my book.
Come, shut up.
If I vent my anger on you, time, man, if you more way. Will those books pay your school fees? Come on, man. I will slap you now. It's better for you to market what you have. Come on, material of monster. Package. In a package, what? Men on some customers. Come and eat. If you have the money, we sell with or without. Eh? Hi. Obroko food is wrong in a chum. Biabanu. Hey. Biaunine. Did you buy the malaria drug I asked you to buy? You will not die in my hands, so. Eh? For 3 days now you've been down. Gotogo, Mba. Kunite, we are going to the pharmacy.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
This one, your voice is high.
Don't mind this girl. She will not die in my hands. Eh?
What's wrong with her?
Forget her. Were you able to buy the stockfish in wholesale?
Maybe no. It was counted. I counted. Leave the food business aside. I have gist for you. I think I like here. Oh God.
So finally, my mother's enemies will laugh at us. Obina, you deceived me and rendered my life useless. But wait, how can I be a mother at this age? No, I can't stand it. I won't stand it.
Angelina, my one and only customer. My one and only customer.
Mama, you put down on this one.
What should I go do now?
Thank you.
Hey. See what else?
What do you want? I am Egusi.
What?
What is it?
Madam! Oh my God! What is the meaning of this? What?
Sea poison. Oh my God! This is. Oh my God!
How did I get there?
Sea poison.
You put that there. I should be asking you that.
So this is what you do now. You don't do to cook food, Abi.
Thank God I haven't paid for this one.
Because I told him earlier, I don't
Come on,
please do the
Angelina, you
I
don't
don't do it again.
Eat the food. What? Angelina, piano. Lisa, what?
This is just not happening. This is not so happening. I'm not usually this careless. Jericho. Or did the lizard come with the meat? But I personally watched that meat myself. What's going on here? Who would even believe that it was just a great mistake?
The devil is dealing with me. Yeah, honor piameta.
Devil kwa.
How else do you explain what happened? KKC are calling in a brief man. And lizard inside the soup. Oh my God.
I thought that by now you would have opened your eyes. But it's obvious you are still very blind.
Blind? Oh, but I can see you now. Because there's nothing like blind, I can see.
I don't need a soothsayer to tell me that your friend Adora was the one that did that rubbish to you, just to tarnish your image. She's jealous of your prosperity.
How?
She's jealous of you and will do anything to pull you down.
How? Is Adora the meat seller that sold the meat to me? Or is she I that dished the soup myself? Adora has nothing to do with this one, Biko.
That's my problem with you. You are just too naive. So you can't just see anything wrong that Adora is doing. That Jezebel can go to any length just to pull you down. You don't know.
Hey, Adora, Nafia. Adora cannot hurt a fly. She's not that kind of person. Talk of hurting me, her best friend. But they're not possible. Yes, we have our issues, but I know that the Almighty God will sort us out.
Grace of God. We'll wait for it. I will be here. We'll wait for the grace of God now.
Yeah, by the way, that money that I lent you.
Because the money is not ready yet.
But people are always coming to your shop.
Sister, I'm going to lesson now. Bye. Sister! 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 Mommy! 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 Mommy!
What is
dying! Mommy is dying, Mommy! Mommy!
Great witch of the universe. Ezewanyi Mmili, Evelyn has dared me enough. She has grown so much wings to have had the guts to fight me at the marketplace.
Whosoever that fights the daughter of this kingdom fights with his or her life.
Ezewanyi, I want her dealt with. I want an eye for an eye. For killing my daughter. I want her son dead.
The great mother of the earth is ever ready to do all we ask her. If only we are ready to offer a ready sacrifice.
I am ready, Ezewanyi. I'm ready to offer any kind of sacrifice to achieve my aim.
Then let your wish.
Competition has become order of the day. You man, you do no be. Tibo tabo buzinke hajibi.
Why have you summoned me here? You have the result you desired.
But I didn't ask for my daughter to be killed now.
But you pledged to give whatever it might take to achieve your aim. The blood of your daughter was used.
I know how it hurts. Eh? I don't know. This is not a time to cry. This is a time to sit up. Because your friend is winning you 2-0.
How do you mean? You don't understand the handwriting on the wall? Not only did Adora destroy your business, she also killed your son. And she feels that you are responsible for her useless daughter's deserving death.
But that's ridiculous. Her daughter died from trying to abort a pregnancy. I was not the one that mixed the concussion that she took. Why would she blame me, Kwan? Why?
My friend, that is your own story. She has hers. And to prove so, she confided in me that she will do whatsoever it takes to destroy you.
Destroy me? Destroy me? Destroy Moa?
Just
the devil has pushed me to the wall. Ima, I am going to bounce back. If it is death she wants, both of us will kill ourselves. There's no slowing me now. I cannot take this anymore.
Bam!
No. This time around I must fight the devil. Nenu Emmanuel. Look at my... Oh God. Look at Emmanuel.
It's okay.
My handsome little prince.
It's okay. We're in this together. It's okay.
Oh, Emmanuel.
Okay. That is my story. She turned my goodwill and love towards her and her children into hatred and bitterness. And she went ahead to kill your only brother, Emmanuel. That was why I had to pull you out from the seminary so that you could continue your father's name.
Now I understand why he had to pull me from the seminary. And so that when he learned to send me abroad. Now I also understand why all through my stay overseas, you never ever let me visit home. Instead, you came over to spend every birthday and festive period with me.
Well, I'm glad you understand why I did all that I did. And now I just want to ask you to please help me live a little longer by staying safe for me. You see that girl? Her mom is using her as a trap to get to you.
I promise. I'll never see her again, Mom. I promise. I promise that I won't ever disobey you again. I promise.
So much joy. We'll hate us, we'll hate us, we'll hate us.
Why will the heart of people be this wicked? Why will someone bite the finger that fed her? Guy might be like a mother. She hasn't come across as such a person. But then Mom keeps saying her mother is trying to use her to get at you and that. Kaima, stop calling me. Stop. Just let me be.
For 50 naira, press 11. To copy this tune for 50 naira, press 11.
The customer you're calling is not answering. Please try again later.
What is going on? What have I done wrong? Why is he now ignoring me? Does it mean he has listened to his mother? Why? Why? Why?
Kaima, what is it? What's the problem? You've been like this all day. What's going on?
Mom, I'm fine.
My princess.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, when?
Mommy, what do you want?
You know my friend Evelyn. You know her, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Her son just came back from the UK. And here you are. I would want you guys to, you know, get to know yourselves and cultivate a healthy relationship.
Mom, are you for real? Are you trying to arrange a man for me?
I'm not trying to run your life for you. Am I not your mom? I know what's best for you. Huh?
Okay.
The guy is cute, he's handsome. My princess. I'm sure he'll make a good son-in-law.
Fine.
I could go with you, you know, if you want. You could be like a family get-together.
Mom, okay.
Would you do that?
Yes, can we leave this now?
I could go with you if you want me to. Like a family get-together.
Okay, I will.
You will?
Yes, I will.
That's great. My princess.
Can we leave this now, please?
Brother, your friend is here.
Ruby, get out. What are you doing here?
I'm here to see you. It's been long since we last saw, and you're not even taking my call.
That's because I don't think this relationship can continue.
What do you mean? What's going on?
Nothing. I can't be with the daughter of the woman who killed my only brother, Ima.
Sorry, excuse me.
You know, I always wondered why my kind-hearted mother suddenly turned bitter overnight, but I think now I understand her pain.
What are you talking about?
What is it you don't understand? Is it the fact that your mother betrayed my mother in the past? Or the fact that she killed my only brother, Ima, because she thought my mother killed your sister? What don't you understand?
Jesus. My mother killed Ima.
Don't give me that.
No.
God, Ken, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I think, Mom, your mom is back. This way, please. This way, please. Hurry. She can't see you here. This way.
Where is my baby?
Mom.
Hi.
Welcome home, Mom.
Oh, baby, guess what?
What?
She agreed. My friend Uchichi agreed for you to marry her daughter. Honey, she invited us over for dinner.
Wow, that's such good news. When exactly?
Well, you know, her daughter just graduated in one of the universities in UK.
Okay.
Pharmacist. Special course.
Yeah,
she's coming home this weekend, so maybe we'll go over this weekend, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Great. Weekend is perfect.
Okay, then. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Fine. Sure, you look good. Yes, ma'am. Fine. Should I get you something? You just sit.
Okay.
Should I get you something? Maybe water, a glass of wine? Don't let me get you something.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I need something to eat.
Unfortunately, I'm not even hungry.
Are you serious? Come on, why are you not hungry? You should be hungry.
I actually missed you.
Oh, babe. I missed you too.
I will make you regret. I can
Number you're trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
I will never forget. I will make you cry so hard, 'cause your tears are speak on my currency. Haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters.
Number you're trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Our mind is our weapon. We are haters, we are haters, we are haters. We are desperate, mean and wicked.
So, babe, that is what mother told me.
No wonder the bear grudges against each other.
You know, I just pray they settle the scores and leave us alone.
I pray so too.
Because they need to leave us alone. I hope you know that. I love you.
I love you so.
Love you so much.
What? What brings evil into my compound this early morning?
This evil will rip off your son's heart if he does not leave my daughter alone.
That's just an excuse to step your cursed feet into my compound. But, for your information, my son is no longer interested in your daughter. In that slut of a daughter of yours.
Well, I have not come here to exchange words with you.
Oh, really?
Rather, I have come to sound a note of warning to you and your randy dog of a son to leave my daughter alone, or you have yourselves to blame. Meanwhile, I am giving you 15 seconds to go up there and provide my child. Your time starts now, actually.
Let me tell you something. Darling Adora, I don't rear goats. And even if I did, your daughter would not be one of the species that I would purchase. So please, get out of my compound.
You dare me again, Evelyn. I will. But you will surely hear from me.
I am waiting. Please get out before I call the dog on you. Ruby! Ruby! Who was here yesterday while I was out? Am I talking to somebody or not? What is out? Who was here?
I'm sorry, Ma. It's
Skinny.
It's the auntie that came back with Uncle Simon's daughter from America.
You open? How? When? You...
Mom, I can't believe you've killed before. I can't believe you killed Ima.
She has brainwashed you so that you can hate your mother, right?
Mom, look at me. Tell me the truth. Just look at me. Did you really do it?
Yes, I did. And I will kill anybody who toys with you.
Mom, but why? Why would you do that?
Because she killed Onyinye. That's why.
You and I know that Onyi died while she was trying to abort an unwanted pregnancy. You know it!
Shut up! Shut up! Alright, fine. She did not kill Onyinye. But what about Kelechi?
Mom, Kelechi died of food poisoning, and you know it.
Kaima, as foolish as you are by choice, I want to remind you, before you let anyone brainwash you, think about your sister.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This world is such a wicked place.
Yeah,
Indeed, it is a very wicked place.
I will make you regret. I can never forget all the pains and anguish you made me go through. I will never forget. I will make you cry so hard, 'cause your tears have become my current.
Mom, I came to apologize.
I want to be left alone.
Yeah, Mom, come on. I know you're really mad right now, but...
I don't want to speak to you. Please leave me alone.
All right.
We are haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters.
Good morning. Come on, Mom, you don't have to be this cold. I am sorry. Yeah, I messed up. I let my emotions get the better of me, but I am sorry, really.
You know, you break my heart. All your life, all I've tried to do is make you comfortable and happy. Now, for the first time, I ask you for a tiny favor. And you turn me down.
All right, Mom, yeah, I messed up. Fine, I'm sorry about that, but I promise to make you smile again. I promise.
Are you sure?
Come on, Mom, I'm sure. I promised.
Then, I guess the only way you can make me happy is if you leave Kaima and marry Bella. That would put the smile back onto my face.
Yeah, fine. Whatever, as long as it makes you happy.
Are you serious? It makes me happy, son. That's my baby. Oh, that makes me really happy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You're cool?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just itchy.
I'm so happy.
Me too.
Promise.
I hope not.
You won't. She's a good girl. Good family. Yeah? Ooh. So, what's happening today? Are you going?
Nothing. Let me take my shower first. I don't have any plans. Let me.
Okay, I have a purse for you.
Alright, no problem.
Okay, you could go shopping or whatever you want. Bella, here we come. Just smile back on my face.
Your mom also killed my kid sister, Kelechi.
How?
Poison snacks. Mom told me.
I don't understand. I'm really confused. I don't know what to believe anymore.
I don't as well. But what can we do? What can we do? What can we do?
Do you think we should just get them to reconcile or something? I think.
That is very impossible.
We could try.
Okay.
I am more than what you call me. I am greater than you believe it. I made this game, so play it. You can never beat me to it. Got a taste for losers.
Oh, baby. You're welcome. I've missed you.
Yeah, I missed you too. What are you doing here? You didn't tell me you were coming.
Oh, yeah. That was because Mom called me up that she was bored.
Okay, so why are you not with her?
She's already sleeping. Come on, go freshen up. Let's go downstairs and have some food.
I'm not really hungry. You can go on.
But I've been starving here waiting for you.
That's unfortunate. Like I said, I'm not really hungry.
Mom, I've come to beg you. Please, let bygones be bygones. Save my happiness. Save my relationship. Mom, this is the first and the only man I've ever loved.
What is this now? Eh? Why are you disturbing me?
Mom, if Christ can forgive...
Oh, please! Please! I want to be left alone. Please. Leave me alone. Oh.
Come on, Kaima, I miss you too. Yes, baby, I miss you. Don't worry, as soon as I'm chance, I'll provide you too. I'll call you later.
I mean, you won't believe that up till now, he hasn't touched me. It's even by the grace of God our bodies come in contact.
You're not serious.
I mean, even when I try to touch him, he resists.
He does?
Yes.
Is something wrong with you?
No. How? Hey, baby! See, look at what I was telling you the other time. You see? See?
Yeah, I just remembered I need to make a very important call. Yeah, I'll see the picture later. I need to make this call.
Zen, I'm really sorry to pry into your privacy, but how are you getting on with Bella?
I don't understand what's going on. We're fine. We're cool. Everything's alright.
Everything is alright. And yet you're not touching her.
Come on. Mom, we can't be discussing such.
Why? I'm your mother. Besides, you, an adult.
Yeah, that's the reason why we can't be discussing such.
Now, are you trying to tell me that you never touched that your ex when you were dating her?
That's because I love her genuinely.
Well, she's now in the past tense. Bella is on board. I expect you to treat her much, much better than you treated that thing.
Mom, is there no way you can reconcile with Auntie Adora? Yeah, I understand she hurts you and everything, but then, for my sake, please.
Wait. Are you for real? No, wait. Did
Did you think about this before you uttered those words? A woman that killed my child? An evil murderer? Reconcile with Onye?
Mom, please, for my sake, please.
I need to go upstairs.
I don't think I can hang it anymore. I mean, I can't wait to have you as my wife, but this whole shade of sneaking in and out of hotel rooms just to see my woman. Oh, God.
I understand how you feel. I feel worse. I feel sad about it. Mom won't even allow me to say a word of peace to her. It's that bad.
Yeah, but there's a whole lot we could do. I mean, we could get a comfortable apartment, do the whole court marriage.
That sounds sweet, baby. But it's wrong. Because we need your blessings. You know it's very important.
You know, I understand, but right now we shouldn't bother ourselves with what's wrong and what's right. I mean, they don't care about our happiness. We just...
It's alright, baby. Going to be alright, baby. Okay? It's going to be alright.
I missed you.
I missed you more, sweetie.
I really missed you, and you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Where in heaven's name are you coming from?
Good morning, Mom.
I don't care about your greeting, young lady. I asked you a question.
I had an appointment.
With who? That you had to stay out of the house for 24 hours with all your phones switched off?
With my fiancé. And I couldn't tell you knowing how much you hate him.
You dare stay in my presence with such boldness to vomit such rubbish?
It is not about vomit, mother. It is about my happiness. In fact, it is high time I told you about our court wedding.
Chikaima, what has Evelyn done to you?
No, it is you. We will no longer be residing in Nigeria. The moment Zim and I get married, we are returning to the UK where we'll stay permanently. And have peace of mind. Excuse me.
Where in heaven's name are you coming from?
Good morning, Mom.
I don't care about your greeting, young lady. I asked you a question.
I had an appointment.
With who? That you had to stay out of the house for 24 hours with all your phones switched off?
With my fiancé. And I couldn't tell you knowing how much you hate him.
You dare stay in my presence with such boldness to vomit such rubbish?
It is not about vomit, mother. It is about my happiness. In fact, it is high time I told you about our court wedding.
Chikaima, what has Evelyn done to you?
No, it is you. We will no longer be residing in Nigeria. The moment Zim and I get married, we are returning to the UK where we'll stay permanently. And have peace of mind. Excuse me.
Baby. Baby, I'm set to go. I'm set to go. Babe.
Yeah?
I said I'm set to go.
Do I really have to go with you?
Of course, sugar. I need you to help me make some choices. Please.
Fine. But I need to freshen up first.
Oh. Hurry, please.
Competition has become order of the day.
Yes. Jesus. Oh no, no, no. Jesus, no, no.
Yes. I sent her a text with my son's phone. As we speak, I am sure she's on her way to the house. Now get to the house, pick her up, take her to my site, keep her there until I'm ready to see you. That will be probably once my son is out of the theater. Yes. Alright, thank you.
Mom, tell me you did not send assassins to kill Zim. Mom, I am talking to you.
Yeah. Hello?
Yes. Hello, Mom. Yes, we have one.
Oh, you do? Good. You have just earned yourself additional 10%. Sure. Now, when she wakes up, I want you to torture her mercilessly so that she will suffer like my son is right now.
Yes, boss.
Mercilessly.
I don't know. She angrily left the house because I gave her motherly advice. She has just one friend, Zimozo. He said he wants to marry her. He lives at number 7 Scripture Union Close, DLA. Yes. Hey.
Yeah, hello?
We are calling from the state CIB.
Really? May I help you?
Yes, do you know one Mr. Zimozo?
Of course I do. He's my son. Why?
Okay, madam, we are looking for one Miss Kaima Roches who has been missing for the past 2 weeks.
Holy Moses. Are you serious? No wonder. I haven't seen her for a while.
Well, madam, we were reliably informed that the said lady is engaged to your son.
Oh, no. That's not true. My son is engaged to Bella. Well, you know, they were kind of close, but that was a long time ago. They've broken up. Peacefully, too.
I see. So, madam, where can we find the son's music?
My son was shot about 2 weeks ago by some unknown gunmen, and I'm actually on my way to the hospital now.
Well, we're sorry about that, madam. Maybe we will call back when he's out of the hospital.
Okay. Well, feel free to call anytime. You're welcome. Okay. Well, good to go. Yeah?
Oh, Bella. Bella.
Hey, what's up with you? You've been like this for days now. What's eating you up? Come on, just smile for me. Huh?
Fine.
Mom. Yes. It's better I sleep in your room than stay on the same bed with a man who doesn't even notice me. Wow. I mean, I've been in this relationship for months now. But whenever I try to touch him, he ignores me.
Wow. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I know how you feel, honey. I really do. I mean, it's not so nice when you want somebody to reach out to you and he just ignores you, right?
Mm-hmm.
It kills something in you. But let me tell you something. It is a woman that makes the home, okay? Look, I know Zim is older than you. But you know one thing about men? They're all like babies. Zim is not an exception, all right? So what you need to do is just give him time, and I promise you, before you know it, you will get that thing you're looking for. The pajamas and the shirt, blouse, I don't even know what to call it, pullover. Baby, you need to wear something sexy to bed. All those spaghetti nighties with, popping out. He would notice and he will go for them. And before you know it.
Mom, you called me.
Yes, I did. What's going on, son? You don't come to me to gist with me anymore. Since the gunshot incident, you've turned cold. What's going on here, honey? Why didn't you just confide in me, talk to me? Did I in any way offend you?
In as much as I know you wouldn't like to hear this, but I still have to pour my heart out to you. Unless you want me to lie to you.
No, you don't have to. So, go ahead.
Mom, I need to see Kaima.
I see. Whatever for?
It's unlike her to stay this long without seeing me. Or even calling. Especially after what happened to me.
Some women are that way. She's probably gotten herself another lover.
Oh no, I doubt that. I think you're wrong. I mean, she's not that type of girl. She cannot refuse to see me, especially after I had an accident.
Are you calling me a liar? Wait. Are you directly saying I just lied? I personally called her while you were in hospital. I told her about the accident. She said she wasn't coming. So what are we talking about here? Maybe, I don't know. She has decided to follow whoever her mother's choice is.
Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. It's not that I doubt you, but could it be possible someone else picked her call? Kaima can't be that mean towards me.
Are you calling me a liar? Your mother a liar? Honey, I don't care what you think. All I want to advise is that you should forget that seed of a wicked woman. Look, at this point in time, you need to concentrate on giving Bella the kind of attention she needs from her husband to be. Mbobuna kaima. Ken came about her. Kimanka, imankozo. Eh? Please. You obviously don't know her very well.
Mother of the earth, I greet you.
I know your heart is still troubled over the disappearance of your daughter.
I cannot sleep again, Mother. She is all I've got.
The forces behind the sudden disappearance of your daughter are great, and the path is still extremely misty, and I still search to unravel their identities.
Mother, she is the hope of my life.
She shall be found.
Zobo Tibo, Bozinke Ajibiri.
Are you missing your way? Oh, you have added Nkwali and madness to your list of anomalies, right?
May the thunder of the sea goddess bend that your rotten mouth.
Oh my God. It's obvious she's already dealing with you.
Dear Evelyn, you think I don't know you are holding my daughter hostage here? No problem. Go ahead. But let me warn you. If you pull as little as a strand of hair from her scalp,
Imagine,
I will shut you up completely forever.
You know what your problem is? You always strike first. And then when I try to retaliate, you start bleating like a goat. You tried to kill my son. And now that I'm trying to strike back, what are you doing? You're coming here to warn me? Nah, because leave my lane. Get out of my house. Out.
Don't touch
I don't want to push you down these stairs, so.
Can you?
Huh? Out! See, you know, me check it, me cafe. In a batabo galanya. Egwato more. I've not even started dealing with you. Nezianije. I come out. She can die for all I care. Now listen. I want you to give her the most painful death. Now listen. Take her to the bridge. Bind her legs and her hands. Drop her into the sea. Let her battle with the waves, the sharks, the snakes, whatever she finds down there. If she survives, that would be her luck. If she dies, you get an extra 10%.
Welcome back, my love. It's okay. It's okay.
Where am I?
You're in a safe place. A really safe place. Try and sit up a bit. Sorry. Sorry, dear. Sorry. Sorry, dear. You'll be okay.
Teresa, please. Please, it's all I've got. Listen, life is useless without him. You know what? Comb the whole city. Look everywhere. I am ready to pay whatever it costs, but please, find my son.
There's no life without him.
No, it's not about money. We will do our best.
Okay. Please do, thank you. I'm expectant, okay?
Alright, Madam, we'll get back.
Queen Mother, he's been gone for a week now. And his phone has been switched off since then. I tried to reach the young girl. Her own phone is turned off too. I don't know what to do.
Why do you complain as though I did not warn you? When you deal with matters of the heart, you do with wisdom and caution. Can you remember ever hearing that?
I will make you regret. I can never forget all the pains and anguish you made me go through. I will never forget. I will make you cry so hard, 'cause your tears have become my currency. Haters, haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters.
Hi, Mom.
Good afternoon.
Came to give you this. That's our wedding invitation, and we'd really appreciate it if you can come through for us.
My only child is wedding, and I'm not going to be part of it. Son, I've missed you. Please come home.
Mom, the truth is, I'd really love to, but not without my heart.
I made this game so played. You can never push me to it. Back office for losers. When I spoke
I'm truly sorry for all I've done to you. Please find it in your heart to forgive me.
Mom.
I'm truly sorry for all I've done to you. If you just forgive me, please, I will spend the rest of my life making it up to you.
I've already forgiven you long ago. And I still love you very much.
I love you too. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Though I am older than you, it doesn't really matter. All that matters is the fact that our children have found love in each other. We need to support them. Pick one them. Let bygones be bygones. Let's move forward. Let's become friends like we used to be. Family. In-laws.
Abia. Bia, Evelyn, Osoy, Masala, Masalo. It will not work. It will be over my dead body. I'd rather die than allow this evil son of yours father my grandchildren. Are they possible?
Adora, calm down. You're so hot-tempered. Calm down.
Mommy, please do this for me. I beg you, please. Please.
Mom, please. I promise to make the best son-in-law ever.
Shut up! Did you call me mom? Waka. Idiot! You are just like your mother. Evil people. Evil! Yeah. What are we even doing here? What are we saying? People are just mocking me. If you want a peace meeting, no problem. Just get another venue, not my house. Before una tobolo mo forever.
Children.
Biko, get out.
Mommy.
Judas. Judas.
Let's go. It's okay.
Judas.
I'll be your mom. Okay.
Follow them. And follow them. Make it easy, woman. Any man. Yeah.
Baby. Come on, what's going on? You've been like this all day.
I just wish my mom can be a little more considerate and reasonable like your mom. I mean, she claims she loves me, yet she cannot make me happy. It's giving me a lot of thoughts.
Yeah, I understand. But that's alright. Come on, you know it was with prayers that we were able to get mom's heart to melt towards you. Don't you think we should do the same for your mom? We should do the same for your mom. Yeah. It's okay. Shut up.
Bella.
Mom.
I know you're sad with the way things are going between you and Zimuzo. I know it's going to be pretty difficult. But can I ask you for a favor?
What?
I want you to stop seeing Zimuzo.
Why?
I'm the architect of all that's been going on between Zimuzo's mother and Kayama's mother.
I'm confused.
You don't need to understand it. I don't need to bore you with the details. But I know that I am being punished for my past. My dear, please, take this as an advice from your mom. Try your best, because this relationship would go nowhere. I'm sorry.
Honestly, Uchechuku, I thought we would end up being in-laws. But like they say, man proposes and the good great Lord disposes.
If I hadn't known you to be a woman of honor, I would have thought you wanted to make a fool of my family. But I understand.
I would never do that. Thank you for being understanding.
It's okay. What are friends for? Besides, I wouldn't be happy to have my only daughter in a marriage where her husband wouldn't love her. No, not at all.
I understand. I'm really sorry about it all.
It's okay. Our only prayer now should be that your son will find happiness in his choice.
Amen. Amen. By the way, I made okra soup. With a lot of vegetable, fresh fish. Would you like to come in and have some?
I'll pass. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, listen, this outfit is beautiful. It would look good on you.
It's beautiful.
I know.
You have a way of knowing very beautiful things.
I'm learning from you younger ones.
It's so nice. I have something like
I can't believe you ladies are here having fun. And you left me all alone in that boring room.
Is your wife, is your wife that said that you're sleeping and that needed to rest?
Yeah, I did, but that doesn't mean I wanted to be left alone. Come on, babe.
Is this baby looking for a nanny?
It's not a baby. Nanny. Yeah! I'm looking for...
For 2 days now, I've not been able to sleep. Knowing fully well that I'm not in good terms with the only family I have got. So I decided to come and apologize to everyone. I've wronged everybody. I've wronged you greatly. Especially Evelyn, my best friend. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
Get up.
I'm so sorry.
Thank God that you've changed your mind. It's so good to have you back, a sister and a friend.
Please. Thank you, because
it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Oh, please.
It's okay.
Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, not again.
I'm so
sorry.
Competition has become out of the day. Man, you do know me. See what I'm in the heart. Zobo Chibo was in the heart. I will make you regret. I can never forget all the pains and anguish you made me go through. I will never forget. I will make you cry so hard, 'cause your tears have become my currency. Haters, haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters. We are haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters, we are haters. Our mind is our weapon. We are haters, we are haters, we are haters. We are desperate, mean and wicked. We are haters, we are haters, we are haters. Brings us so much joy. We are haters, we are haters, we are haters. I am more than what you call me. I am greater than you believe it. I made this game, so play it. You can never beat me to it. Back off is for losers, surrender is for cowards. So I'd rather die in what I've started.